We're here in Singapore at Money 2020 Asia with Brett King, the founder and CEO of Movin, but also best-selling author and very, very well-known futurist. Brett, thanks for being with us today.
It's great to be here.
You're coming out with a new book, Bank 4.0. How is this new book going to be different from the other ones? And what are some of the big topics you're going to discuss in the book?
So it's actually my sixth book. My first, obviously, was Bank 2.0, which sort of put me on the map as a speaker or authority in this space. But it took, my last banking book, Breaking Banks was back in 2014, I guess, but Bank 3.0 was 2012.
Wow.
And so, that's what, 6 years ago. And so if you wonder why it's taken me so long to get around to Bank 4.0, A, I've been running Movin, but more importantly, B, is I had to come up with a thesis. What was Bank 4.0? What was going to differentiate it? So Bank 2.0 was really about self-service, internet, changing customer behavior. Bank 3.0, mobile, smartphones, banking anywhere. Yep. So then what was going to be the paradigm? And we had to wait and see players like Alipay and Amazon and others coming into this space before I realized that Bank 4.0 was really about a first principles makeover of banking.
That's amazing. Actually, you're talking about Alipay and others. I mean, you're a very known thought leader in the fintech space globally, and this is actually the first time we're having Money 2020 here in Asia.
Yeah.
What's your view of the fintech ecosystem in Asia and how it's different from the rest of the world?
So this is quite interesting. When you look at just one thing like mobile payments, China is ahead of the rest of the world. They're 10 years ahead of the US, frankly, right? 5.5 trillion in mobile payments last year, rapid demonetization in urban centers. I mean, we're really talking about a fundamental behavioral shift around how you move money. So from that perspective, then the ecosystems that are emerging that will be the new rails for fintech, the new rails for banking, how you store your money, a lot of that is coming out of Asia. And the only one thing I would say is that while there's tremendous innovation occurring here, from an investment perspective, Asia's still behind. So if we could fix the VC problem, and get more funding coming into Asia, well, the sky's the limit.
Well, exciting times ahead, Brett. Thank you very much, and great to have you on the show. We look forward to the book.
Thank you very much.